to let me try out your start bar. How much? Who wanna see some titties? Yeah! Caleb today, baby! Guys, this rideout that you're about to see is one of the most rolled rideouts I've ever been to. This rideout happened a couple months ago and it was absolutely insane. We almost got pulled over. We almost got impounded. This rideout was rolled from the beginning all the way to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned, man. We made it to Long Beach, baby. This rideout is gonna be remembering a homie. They're not there. Yo, where'd they go? Down there? All right, bet, thank you. Mission objective, find the rideout. Let's go. How you doing, bro?
We're doing good, bro.
We made it. Let's go. Yeah, they're chasing us.
Careful, boy.
Yeah, I know. Appreciate you, bro. Let's go, baby. We made it to the rideout, baby. Sexy boy. What the f?
Yo, bro, you missed out on the action.
What happened?
7 cops came, 4 bikes crashed into a car.
What? Yo, kid! Be not! Good to see you, baby. What seems to be the problem, officer? We riding for Caleb today, baby. Yeah! Yes! This rideout is gonna be sick as I can already tell, bro. Officer, what seems to be the problem?
Problem, right?
What's the problem? What police escort? Rideout. We're remembering a guy named Caleb. I did not know who he was, but my friends were very close with him, so I had to pop out here and show my love and support. Going to one of these rideouts, it just reminds you that this is absolutely real. What we're doing is a very unsafe sport. Not just e-bikes, basically any motorcycles. There's people that pass away all the time doing this stuff. It's so unsafe that I'm gonna make sure all these guys get through this street. I just want to look out for all these guys. That's what's up. Harley Davidson, join the pack. That's a haunted ship. Oh, that ship right there is haunted. People pull up and go check this ship out and they got like ghosts in that ship. Z250.
You know we had to pop out.
You already know we had to pop out of this. What are you doing right here? Like, what's this?
It's gonna be a proposal.
Proposal? For who?
For one of my friends.
That's a beautiful place to get proposed. Yo.
Supermoto lifestyle.
Yo, Sirskis.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're
bro.
the guy who clip forms everything.
Okay, clean Saran. Couple clean Saran. What the f? Is that a Talar? Oh, big ass battery on that bitch. Altis, bro, how much you get this for? 6?
6K.
It's small though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Show me some work. I know you got some What? Okay. Okay, watch them.
I haven't rode in like 2 months.
Show me some work, boy. Stop playing with them. Razor bip. Beautifully paved road. Oh, McLaren! We riding for Caleb today, baby! Come on, sexy ladies! To let me try out your start bar. How much?
It ain't up for rides right now.
It ain't up for rides? $10. Let me try it out. You already know I know how to ride, you know what I'm saying?
I keep with it. What's the design?
I got off a Temu. I wish I could ride it, but I feel you, bro. If I had to start, I wouldn't let anybody ride it.
Thanks for understanding, bro.
Bro, how could I not understand? My guy, that looks like the green ninja from like Lego Ninjago or some shit. Dude, it's like blue over here, green over here. What the f going on here? Okay, watch it touch. Easy. I'm doing great, and you, man? Yo, f with that burnout you just did just a second ago.
Second round. Is that electric?
Yeah, it's electric.
All of them are electric?
Yeah, they're all electric. Where's the cop? Let me say hello to, hey, calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Sweet graphics kit, man. I like it.
Thank you, thank you. I kind of feel like some people don't like it, but some people got mixed
dude,
feelings.
it's your bike. You do whatever you want. Don't worry about whatever people think.
Exactly. I don't care what other people
Dude,
think. Can you do a wheelie or what? Why are you out here then?
I want to see some titties. Who want to see some titties?
Yeah!
You know, shit on the floor. Smoking this dope right now. 74.
A lot of my work that I've been doing, bro, has been paying off recently, man. And that one video that you guys might have seen, the Yasma video, I got a clip in that video where I went to Target, put the Yasma right next to a bike stand type thing. I pretended like I was buying the Yasma when I already had the Yasma and I didn't buy it, but like people thought it was real. So I ended up getting so many views, it's crazy. But since then, I've grown like up to like another 10,000, 15,000 subscribers. It's absolutely insane. It's not even the beginning, bro. Like I literally haven't even gotten started. It's absolutely crazy how much progress I've been making recently. I've been getting sent out bikes like crazy. I can't even keep them all in my house, dude. I never would have thought in a million years that I would be getting sent out free bikes. And we got 12 right here. Let's see what they want to do. Hey, hey, hey. Yo, watch out. Oh. I'm not with that. These cops want to get out. Hey, yo, what happened? Are we good? Why are you stepping out the car? Hey, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, shit.
Oh, man.
Trying to get out and get somebody. Yo! Did you see that? Keep trying. Leave us alone, officer! We're doing this for Caleb! Caleb would have loved this.
Let's go, bro.
Yeah, me too. I got 40%.
Took an hour to ride here.
You gotta like get someone to pick you up. Split off from the pack.
I'm trying to, but I have such a big group that I work with, so it's hard to get everyone together.
Main thing is don't get pulled over. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I'm all the way in the back. All right, bet. Sounds good. There's cops just chasing us. Helicopter on us. I'm trying to split off from the pack because I don't want to be here anymore, bro. I'm trying to go home. Where are we going? We're going back to that pizza. Oh, really? Yeah. About this is to stay calm, bro. These guys, they were getting all super panicky, but you can't panic. You can't panic. You just got to stay calm, baby. Heading back home. And we got no cops on us, baby. We're chilling. I'm gonna just follow the rules now because I don't want to get hurt or I don't want the cops to be chasing after me now. But we're just gonna go over there and we're gonna be all good, baby. Just really need to make sure no cop pulls up on me out of nowhere. That's the last thing I want to happen. Fucking city is rolled city, man. It's rolled central up in here. I don't know why there's a cop over there. The cops are after me. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Any of that?
I got all of it.
20 kids got impounded.
What?
I swear, I have so many videos of so many kids got impounded.
What the
I'm so scared.
Dude, that was rolled city, bro. That was the most rolled rideout I've ever been to in my entire life.